Coming to you today with another unboxing video. So I have the Mavic Mini, but after some careful consideration, I've decided to upgrade to the Mavic Air 2. So let's unbox it. As you can see, I got it from Best Buy. It looks like the box that the Mavic Mini came in. While you're here, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I post weekly videos. This case looks a ton better than that awkward Mavic Mini case. And it even has a shoulder strap. Nice. This is the Mavic Air Fly More combo. Here are 2 of the batteries. It comes with 3 batteries. Here's how the battery looks in size. I mean, if you have the Mavic Mini, you can definitely tell that you're going to have to invest in new batteries because these are not the same batteries that are in the Mavic Mini. So another battery. This is the AC power adapter and cable. I can already tell what this is. The controller. As you can see, the control sticks are at the bottom. There's the plug for the AC adapter, return to home, power, and the phone sits at the top as opposed to that weird, awkward setup that the Mavic Mini has. This is a little box that came. More propellers. So here are more propellers. I'm not going to open each individual one because I want to be able to keep up with them. But here you go. You can see. Quick start guide inside of this box. More propellers. I'm assuming, of course, you know, each side has their own type of propellers based on which side you're putting them on. And that's all that's in this box. We've all been waiting for. Dun, dun, dun. So because of the weight, it's going to have to be registered. But here is one of the batteries. And I need to charge it, of course, before using it for the first time. Here's the gimbal protector. The case is really nice. Came with some cushion in here. So I'll show you really quickly comparing both sizes. Then let's compare both controllers. Batteries. This is on the Mavic Mini. This is on the Mavic Air 2. Charging hubs for both. And the Mavic Mini, you would just simply place this all in here versus this. Oh wait, but there's more in the pocket. These are the cords that connect to your phone. These are the ND filter sets. Here are extra control sticks, but the last time I did unboxing and I took all these out, these ended up getting kind of lost. So in an effort to make sure I keep these, you know what they are. So these last items are all in this pocket, so I'm gonna put them back. Nothing in the front pocket, but there is a front pocket. So I'm really excited for this.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell for notifications.